Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off auto scan while installing app on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So, you discover that each time you try to install application on your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, the phone is going to automatically scan the application before the application is installed. So here, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn this off or disable the feature. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn off or disable auto scan while installing app on Samsung Galaxy A54, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your device. Scroll down the settings page. Locate and click on security and privacy. Under security and privacy, locate app security and click on that. Then click on app protection. Then it should say no threat found. If there is a virus on your Samsung Galaxy A54, this is the way you're going to remove it. Now click on the three dots at the top right. Select app protection settings. Then here you should say auto scan when installing apps enabled. Now to turn this off, just toggle this off. And this is going to stop your Samsung Galaxy A54 from scanning application before installing it on your Samsung device. And then you're good. So that is basically how to disable or turn off auto scan when installing apps on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.